dope. Hey!
Not bad.
Not bad, not bad. Gotta get Patty in there. Hey.
It was fun.
What do you think, Isaiah? Was it
awesome?
So guys, what's up? We are here. We are at Busch Gardens for this guy's birthday. It's his birthday weekend. Y'all give a big shout out to Jaden. In the comment section, drop happy birthday, Jaden. Show some love. We are here. We're currently floating through the air. Look at the views. There's the beautiful fiance you guys saw on the cruise. And then there's me. How you doing?
I know they have giraffes.
So guys, this is my third video. If you guys haven't already, check out my 2 vlogs, or 1 vlog actually, but it's 2 parts. It's on YouTube. Go check that out. Subscribe, smash that subscribe button, smash the like button, drop a comment, and you guys will keep seeing this, you know, video of Busch Gardens. And turn on post notifications, baby. Hit that thing like this. Pow, 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 pow. It's gonna rain down on you. It's gonna rain down on you.
Rain down on me, buddy!
It's gonna rain down on you. Oh my god.
Are you kind of turning? Yes, that's what you're kind of turning.
Oh, we're about to get soaked. Yo, they're about to get soaked. Let's go, Marcia! Oh, we got a game, baby! Here we go. They're about to get it. Oh, got one. Uh-oh. Waiting for 3. Here we go. Here we go. Got 3. Oh, let's go! Video on there. Yo, walking through the mist. Super hot. We got Patty Pat over here.
What's up? In the mist, gorillas in the mist.
Yup. Got Jaden right here. Oh, with the turn. Okay then. Okay then. What are we about to go on, guys?
Kumba.
Kumba. You guys gonna see it? Let's go. Let's get it. up. Now we're going on the Scorpion.
Thank you,
Right
and enjoy your ride on the Scorpion.
Mientras que disfruta de su paseo en el Scorpion, le pedimos que sí.
So right now, guys, we're about to go check out a show. I think it's gonna have some animals and stuff like that, so you guys will see that really soon. So stay tuned, keep watching, guys.
Yeah, it's like all these little like. Oh my gosh! Oh, see? You pray they stay on the track. Stay on the track. Pray! Oh my god! Oh lordy.
So what ride are we going on over here? Shikra, and then what else do we have left? What's the last one?
I think there's Monsoon.
Monsoon, there we go. That's what we're going on, guys. So, don't fly on my camera! What are you doing? Get off! We're gonna check that out, so you guys will see that right now. Stay tuned. So guys, that's the end of this video. We had a day at, I forgot where we're at. Busch Gardens, there we go. I forgot where we were, but you guys will see that stuff. And maybe we might come back tomorrow. But if not, guys, enjoy the video. We are out. Say bye, Derek.
See ya.